Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm at the DIFC Financial Summit event. Bitcoin right now is pumping and I'm gonna open 10 Bitcoin or 12 Bitcoin position here in spot. And I just went long with 5 Bitcoin as well. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people, smash that thumbs up button, comment on every video, 5 winners, join our Telegram. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So right now I just opened long on Bitcoin. Why? Because we got that bounce. We got that bounce that I was talking about on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. This is the inverse head and shoulders that we have on Bitcoin here. We have a shoulder, head, shoulder. That's for a big movement towards the 25K. And we got the bounce that we were talking about. Right now, Bitcoin is at this weekly resistance trying to break through. And it got the bounce off earlier today down here. We came to a low which held double bottom down here with 2 big wicks back up. So that's showing strength there at the 20,500. And we've got that bounce. So I've reopened the longs here. The stochastic is very oversold, and remember, as I teach you, always whenever the stochastic is oversold on the 4 hourly, daily, and weekly, that's the time to be buying. When it's overbought up here, that's the time to be selling. So right now, Bitcoin, in my opinion, time to be buying. EMA ribbons, we're going back into the EMA ribbons. Usually we find resistance here. Let's see if we can break through. We've got a lot of support at this VPVR, and the Crypto Guru bot on the 4 hourly is still fired a buy. And right now, when we zoom in closer, so on the hourly, I'm going to open trades quickly. You can see that we've got this W formation that formed here on Bitcoin that's trying to break the neckline. If we can break through this resistance, next stop is 21,500. And right now, Bitcoin is trying to break through that. I am going to go long. On the hourly, we're overbought, and on the 15 minutes, so on the shorter time frames, we could have a little bit of a pullback. But right on this neckline, it's looking bullish. So we do have potential for a big movement here. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment of the video down below, you can sign up to Bybit. That's where I do my trades. The link to Bybit is down below. You get a $4,800 bonus when you sign up to Bybit. Start trading. One of the biggest exchanges. I use it. I'm going to show you my trades on it right now. So over on Bybit, which I don't have open right now, on Bybit, I just opened a long on Bitcoin. It's up $100. It's a $106,831 long. It's up $101. I used $12,000 worth of margin with 9x leverage. So $106,831. That Bitcoin long is active. And in the rest of my account, it's all USDC and USDT. 140. In here, I have around $185,855, and it's all USDT. So I'm going to be buying some Bitcoin in this account as well. I'm going to be buying with this, a lot of the alts will pump as well. So I'm going to be buying 4 Bitcoin from here, $84,000 worth of Bitcoin. I'm buying right now. That's $84,000 worth of Bitcoin. My order is sitting there. It's trying to fill, but Bitcoin is pumping. So let's see if this order fills. 21,069. I'm buying 4 Bitcoin of here, so 84,000, and I'm going to buy some altcoins here because Bitcoin is going to move on this. Let's see if this buy order fills. It's at 21,058. It needs to come back down a little bit. And over on Binance, I'm going to be buying a lot of Bitcoin. In here, I have $262,000, and I've got, it's all cash. I'm going to be buying some Bitcoin here. I'm going to buy 12 Bitcoin here. Yes, buying 12 Bitcoin, confirm. So now my 12 Bitcoin is filling right now. Let's see if it executes this trade. So I bought 12 Bitcoin here. I put a buy order for 4 Bitcoin here. And on my trade, I have 5 Bitcoin here. So total around 21 Bitcoin that I'm buying right now in this video. This trade is up $182. It's a $106,000 trade over on Bybit. On Binance, it's trying to execute this. Let's see if it can come down. It needs to come down $5 to buy this 10 more Bitcoin. 12 Bitcoin I'm buying. Let's see if that order fills. And all my trades I'm showing in the Crypto Guru alerts group. In the description of this video, you can see this link to the Telegram group. We have 1,687 members in here, which is beautiful. That group is only 4 days old, already 1,687 people. So the Binance order still not executed. Bitcoin is pumping right now. Let's see if this, I want to make sure this order executes, but I do believe we could pull back. But again, on the technicals, it looks very bullish Bitcoin here. On the 4 hourly, we're creating this inverse head and shoulders. We're pumping on the hourly, but it is overbought. So it could be a little bit, but it broke through the neckline of this W, which is beautiful. You can see it more clearly on the 15-minute chart. See how we just broke through that weekly resistance and that neckline? So that was the neckline to break through this resistance area. So Bitcoin is pumping, but those trades will execute. So again, I just put in an order for 12 Bitcoin here. It's already filled 1.8 Bitcoin. I bought on Bybit. I've got in here now I've got an order for 4 Bitcoin, which didn't execute as well because Bitcoin is still pumping. But I believe it will pull back. But let's see if it's pulling back. I want to make sure these orders execute. Okay, it is pulling back. Let's see. Let's go into the 15-minute, because on the 15-minute, we should have a little bit of a pullback before the X. So it should be trying to execute here because the 15-minute is overbought on the stochastic. I want to make sure these orders, it's 21,072. The orders are at 21,058. So it's coming down. Let's see if these, it's about $20 off right now. Let's see if it pulls back just enough for the orders to execute. If not, I will manually update the price. So that's my breakout trade. So I bought around 20 Bitcoin, 21 Bitcoin here. I have still millions of dollars that I'm going to be putting into Bitcoin. So this is just a little bit of my capital. I'm ready to buy down if we go down to 17,000, 13,000 as well. I'm going to get back into this financial summit, which is beautiful. Thank you all for watching. Those are my thoughts on Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button. Join 75,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. And this is the Binance founder.